Happy Friday, everyone. So, additional subscribers, thank you to Preppy Pandi, Myrene Briseño, Saad Osad, Jack Lack 90, Tyler, my love girl, JD Wadi for always commenting and watching my videos. Bre, I subscribed, highly nice. Marine, I have so many shoes. Tyler, Miss Corgie, I am a Filipino. You're asking me if I'm a Filipino. I am a Filipino. Elma Spang, thank you. My love girl for constantly commenting. Thank you. Bessie Bora. And then Amira, Deely Morris, thank you also. Bettina, great energy, beautiful soul, thank you so much for saying that. We have also Rixie, Roya Golami, Amira, Shaylay's Outdoors, new subscriber, I subscribe also. Love Pardon, we love you and I love you too. Alison Slay, Yasmin El Hajj, thank you for subscribing. I also subscribe. Eva the Diva, I also subscribe. Marlene Delgado, clearly underscore fine. Lizette Diaz, you're so sweet and beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you for appreciating me. I do appreciate your comment and messages. The Real Dara, I honestly enjoy your videos so much. Thank you, The Real Dara. Then we have Marvelous Girl, Jerry Lee Pakariem, Zaliza Magodla, Love You, and Cherryville. And then the others, I will also write down all your comments. To God be the glory. Happy Friday, everyone. You gave me the name Groovy Granny. You're the one who gave me that Groovy Granny. When I started my videos or YouTube channel, my name is acronym individual because I put acronym or I put words to every words and or acrostic, no? And then also ka-HB or ka-human beings. We are all human beings. To God be the glory. And I started with only 1 subscribers until it became 29, until it reaches 50, and then until it reaches 100, and then 500. And now I have 2,940 subscribers. And thank you close to 3,000. Continue that hitting that notification bell and continue to subscribe and continue to share my YouTube channel. And I do really um read all your messages and appreciate all your messages. It's because before I sleep, I read them and write down. So these are all your messages to me. Thank you for giving me such a beautiful name, Groovy Granny. And this is giving you positivity in this cruel life. We have to love one another in every parts of the world, no matter where you are. I do also love you from the bottom of my heart. And I love you and continue watching my videos, and I am inspired to do that. God bless us all.